Hi everyone, my name is Keary Rosen and I'm here in the Form Design Lab at Express Newark, and I have been working on printing out PPE, personal protective equipment. I am working in conjunction with the COVID-19 task force that is stationed in New Brunswick, and they've been working on a lot of different projects to get personal protective equipment out there to hospitals and medical frontliners. So what I've been working on printing is two things. I printed out a number of these visors and an equal number of these chin pieces. So the visor fits around the forehead, the shield material attaches to it and goes down to about right here. And then there is a chin piece which keeps the shield material so that it's got its curve to it. This over here is a mock-up. It's not exactly what the finished product looks like. They're being assembled and then disinfected in New Brunswick. There is a really nice strap that they've created that is going to go back here in place of this rubber band. But this is how the shield works. It's your first line of defense. So it protects against sneezes or liquids or splashes. I'm so grateful to be able to be working on this project. Thank you so much, Rutgers University, for the support that I've been given. I'm so happy that I'm able to pitch in and help our medical frontliners out there. Thank you so much for what you're doing.